Unresolved documents reveal nearly a decade of complaints about the air quality problems that now threaten to force the closure of Cornwall Regional Hospital. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, hike. INDECOM reports 55% jump in police fatal shootings.
Protocol. INDECOM's boss makes the case for rules to govern how cops use body cameras.
Preaching peace. A policeman takes to the pulpit amidst efforts to keep calm in Gregory Park, St. Catherine.
Social mania. Cops charge woman for spreading photo of ex-lover in a wig. We'll tell you how it's possible.
And in the business day, IOUs, NWC struggle with customer arrears.
There's also a ray of hope, sports post commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What's your view on the 55% increase in fatal shootings by the security forces since the start of the year?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
News headlines brought